Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I didn't know what makeup look I was going for when I first started, but I was just going with the flow. The look I came up with was a nice fall makeup look. I will say anything if anything needs to be said or explained. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll put everything I used at the top of the screen and in the description box. I usually use my finger for this part, but my nails are too long and it hits my nose to where I can't get the corner of my eyes, so I'm just going to use my beauty blender to rub it in. I'm using this color just for a base so blending can be easier when I start adding darker colors. Now, I am no makeup artist and I don't know half the names of my eye section, so just bear with me. You guys are going to keep seeing me switch over to my JH32 to just blend in those harsh lines, because we don't want that. I'm going to apply this color to my outer corners to darken it. color came out more golden than pink than I wanted, but I still used it because it was curves. Okay, look at my face. Ah! I'm going to be using this black to darken up my outer corner a little more because that's how I personally like it. And again, I'm going in with my JH32 to blend, blend, blend. So for my eyeliner, I always like to do a wing because I feel it's best fit for my eye shape. But I start with the middle of my lash line and work my way to my inner eye. After that, I make a line for the bottom of my wing and the top, and then I just fill it in. Now I'm going to take this smudge brush and apply Addicted to my waterline, and after that put black on my outer waterline. This makeup wipe to remove any eyeshadow that may have fallen when I was applying it. broke my glue, so I put some on the bottom of my tweezers to apply to my lashes, and then I use the tweezers to put my lashes on. this to clump my lashes together. Here, I usually put mascara on the bottom lashes and then blend my real lashes with the fake, but I forgot. But you'll see me do it later on in the video. I like to do my highlight last since the finishing spray that I use is mattifying. I'm finishing off with this pink tinted lip gloss. I can't remember what color this is because the writing had rubbed off. All I know is that it's Palladio. I think that's how you say it, but I got it from Sally Beauty. Well, you guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my first makeup video / tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe and let me know what you guys think. Thanks again for watching.